you wondering how to make a good YouTube video? Well, here is the secret: the script. The script structures the quality of the content that you want to deliver. If it's a good one, your viewers are going to stick with you up to the end, and so this will increase your watch time and favor your channel in the eyes of the YouTube algorithm. Hi there, my name is Dawyne, and today I'm going to show you how to make a good YouTube video script to help you value your viewers, increase your watch time, and fasten the content creation process. Alright, let's go! No matter how good and expensive your camera, your lighting, or your microphone is, without a good content structure, it's hard to break the chains of YouTube success. You need to plan and develop your video even before you shoot it. But how? Well, here is how. Now, a good YouTube video script is structured in 5 sections: the hook, the intro, the content, the bonus, and the call to action. Now, first things first, the hook. You want to let your viewers know why they are watching your video and what to expect further. This will grab their attention to stay longer and watch your video. Showing you an example, here is how I hook my viewers. Are you wondering how to make a good YouTube video? Well, here is the secret: the script. The script structures the quality of the content that you want to deliver. If it's a good one, your viewers are going to stick with you up to the end, and so this will increase your watch time and favor your channel in the eyes of the YouTube algorithm. Now next, the intro. This is where you let your viewers know who you are, which business you're working for, and a simple description about your channel. You can also tell your viewers how you should deliver your content and let them know if you have an exciting offer for them or a bonus. Now this will help add value to your viewers, to build trust in you, and subscribe to your channel. To give you an example, here is how I introduce myself in this video. What's up there, Dawyne here. Have you ever wondered why you clicked on that video but not others? Well, thumbnail. A good thumbnail increases your video click-through rate and grows your channel to a fatter dime. Pretty nice, yeah? So today I'm going to show you how to make a custom thumbnail that looks just like this for free using Canva. And I have a bonus for you, so please stick with me up to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Right. Another section is the content. Here you deliver all that your video is about, whether it's an X for Y, like the best tools for video editing, how to and style, or warning videos. Whichever type of video, just go in depth of all that it's all about. It's good to make this section as exhaustive as possible because it makes your video stand out and rank well on the YouTube algorithm. You should also sync with your title to portray the direction that you are familiar with the topic and what you're talking about. And always remember to close your content section to let your viewers know that that's all they need to know in order not to jump on other channels seeking for the same content. Last but not least, the bonus. Once you have solved your viewers' problem, it's now time to over-deliver. You give out that thing that your viewers are going to need most next. And most especially, these are young-aged viewers, so please don't forget. This should be straight on point and as sharp as possible, as it will make your viewers say, "Oh wow, that's really great. I didn't expect that. And yeah, it's gonna help me." For example, say how in this video I over-deliver to my viewers with this bonus. I know that it's kind of more practical to give you a lively example, and so I've put a free link to grab the copy of this of the script of this very video. Now the last section is the call to action. Some people just refer it to CTA. This defines the main essence of what your viewers should do next that may benefit them more and in return benefit you too, the creator. Could it be subscribing to your channel, liking it, or sharing the video? Could it be a link to a free PDF, a sign-up link to a webinar, a course, or a forum, or anything that you want your viewers to do for you? Now, to help you understand this, here is an example. Now if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments, which one of the designs was best for you, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Now I mentioned earlier before that I have a bonus for you. Well, yes, I know that it's kind of more practical to give you a lively example, and so I've put a free link to grab the copy of this of the script of this very video. So please go out to it, reach out and pick it and just use it anyway. Just get the inspiration, and it can also help you to design your own script that you want for your video. Now that we have looked at the 5 sections of the video script, it's time now to look at even more. Now I'm gonna give you some 2 ways of how you can organize your content. One, you can either use bullet points or word for word structure. Now I prefer using a combination of both. Like this, I mostly use word for word for the hook, the intro and the CTA, and bullet points for the content, the bonus, and just in the middle there I just like to mix a combination of both and make sure that my content kind of flows out. Now this differs. Some people are just good at free talking and free lapping and giving out the points out there, but you may not really be so good at that. It's fine, just go on with a word for word structure, write everything that you want to talk about and just deliver it. Don't get scared, just deliver it. All right, now if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what is best for you. Is it word for word or the bullet points format?